Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, another light cam video here. So, good evening, and here's the landing challenge we are going to do. We are going to fly into Dongel, I think it's what it says, Ireland, in the Beechcraft Bonanza G36, which is one of the strong wind landing challenges in Microsoft Flight Simulator 2023. Alright, so here we go. I'm gonna do another strong wind landing challenge. Fly. Whoa, alright everybody. Board the Beechcraft Bonanza. Go outside so we can have a better look at where we're going. Alright. So that's good. Let's go and put the gear down.
500.
There's the gear down there. This in line with the runway. Right. Let's see if I can make this landing as smooth as possible. Get the butter from the last few landings in the channel. Some of them are okay, but probably do better. It's just good. Whoa! Sorry guys, just trying to get to the inside. What the heck? To the inside view of the. Don't stall, please. Thank you. See the runway. Alright, so this is no tutorial or flight training session. This is just for you to experience being a pilot and have fun. Alright, let's start a flare. Ooh, yeah, bit of a few bounces. We are off the runway, and we're off the center line. Just gonna slow down here. Oh, froze. Yep, brake. Okay. So that wasn't that bad, everybody. We got a score of 242,046 points. Yeah, so that wasn't that bad. Alright. I will make this the end of the video. And I will do another landing. I'll show you another landing challenge in strong wind on my next video. Alright everybody, I hopefully you enjoyed. Could have done better on my landing. It was a little rough, but I'd say that's alright though. Alright, catch you later on the next one everybody. So, bye.